Maharashtra Darshan, Nandur Madhmeshwar Bird Sanctuary. In the story of the golden feather, you read about a golden feather. It was so beautiful, everyone wanted it. Feathers come from birds, and they come in many different colors. Now, let's go to a place in Maharashtra which is well known for its birds. 40 kilometers from Nasik, at the point where river Kadwa meets river Godavari, is the beautiful Nandur Madhmeshwar Bird Sanctuary. Sanctuary means a safe place. This is a safe place for different kinds of birds. Some birds live here throughout the year, like the black ibis, Kala Kankar or Kala Sharati. The little egret, Lahan Bagla, the vulture, Gidhad, and the harrier, Panghar. Some birds come to Nandur Madhmeshwar only in winter. Some of these birds are the flamingo, Rohit, the spoonbill, Darvi Mukh, and curlew, Kurav or Coral. These birds fly away before it gets too hot. Most of these are water birds that eat fish and other creatures that live in water or in marshy places. That is, places where the ground is full of soft and wet soil.